Hello, welcome back to the Insight Labs Looker Studio tutorials. I'm Errol and I help marketers make better decisions using data. In this video, we will continue replicating this Google Analytics dashboard in Looker Studio. Now let's create this a pie chart. So to do that, we just need to go to our dashboard and then click on this edit chart selection and find these pie chart options. There are two options. One is a regular pie chart, and the other one is a donut chart. Donut chart. So I edit this donut chart, and I ended up seeing all these events that we have. We don't want to see it. We want to use those devices. So I click on this, search for device, find the device category, and ended up with mobile, desktop, tablet, smart devices. Now we have these event counts as the metrics. We don't want to do that as well. We want to add total users, total revenue, and average revenue per paying user for a reason. So total users and total revenue. Let's do that. Total users. Okay. Now that we see how many users came to our website from those different device types. And so if you want to use multiple metrics, we can activate this optional metrics section and add revenue. Now I do not need to create another pie chart to see what what was the percentage of the revenue generated by those devices. All I need to do is come over here, click on the optional metric, and then selecting those total revenues. You see, desktop is generating 92%, almost 93% of the revenue, while is responsible by almost 63% of the visitors. So we can see that. Another thing that we can add here, which is not the best case, but I still want to show you to prove you that why it's not the best thing to add, is average revenue per paying user. So pie charts are good if you want to distribute a whole into little pieces. But once we add metrics like average revenue per paying user, so you see, desktop visitors make $159 on average. $84 for mobile visitors and $97 for tablet visitors. But the sum of those allocations are not creating the whole. Therefore, this is a confusing chart. So you do not need to use average revenue per paying user, average order value as such metrics in these pie charts. You can only use pie charts to distribute a whole into multiple pieces. So I'm just removing it. All right, so another thing that I need to do is to add this text as a header. Let's call it devices. Device. Let's make it bold, put it in the center. So this is hide and put it into place. All right. Now that we created this pie chart, there's one more thing. Let's add these legends bottom of the pie chart so that we can reduce its size as well. All right, we are done with this video. And in the next video, we will create this map and we will dive into the states, even cities that makes those by revenue. If you enjoyed the tutorial, please like the video. If you liked such videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you want to have more information about data-driven decision-making for marketers, consider subscribing to my newsletter. See you in the next video.